Attraction is not only about manifesting material things like money, houses, or cars. It can also be used to manifest creativity and artistic expression, whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or any other kind of creative. The law of attraction can help you manifest your artistic vision and bring your ideas to life. In this video, we'll explore how to use the law of attraction to manifest your creative vision. First and foremost, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to manifest. Take some time to visualize your artistic vision. Imagine yourself already creating your masterpiece, feeling the joy and fulfillment that comes with expressing yourself creatively. This visualization helps to create a clear picture of what you want to manifest and sets the stage for attracting it into your life. Once you have a clear vision of what you want, it's time to focus your thoughts and emotions on the positive aspects of your creative vision. Avoid negative thoughts and emotions that can create resistance to your desires. Instead, focus on the positive feelings and emotions that come with expressing your creativity. This can include feelings of joy, excitement, inspiration, and fulfillment. The law of attraction responds to your vibration, so it's important to stay positive and focused on your desires. One way to do this is to use affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that help to reinforce positive beliefs and emotion. For example, if you want to manifest a creative project, you could say, "I am attracting the perfect opportunity to express my creativity. I am grateful for the inspiration and ideas that flow to me effortlessly." Repeat these affirmations regularly to reinforce your positive beliefs and emotions. Another powerful tool for manifesting creativity is gratitude. Expressing gratitude for the creativity and inspiration you already have in your life creates a positive vibration that attracts more creativity and inspiration. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for and express gratitude for them. This could include your artistic abilities, the resources you have to create, the inspiration you receive, and anything else that brings you joy and fulfillment. In addition to focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, it's important to take action towards your creative vision. The law of attraction works in tandem with the law of action, which means that you must take action towards your desires to manifest them into your life. This could include setting aside time to create, researching and learning new techniques, collaborating with other creatives, or any other action that aligns with your creative vision. Finally, it's important to trust in the universe and the law of attraction. Have faith that the universe is working in your favor and that you are manifesting your artistic vision. Trust that everything is happening for your highest good and that you are on the path towards creative fulfillment. In conclusion, the law of attraction can be a powerful tool for manifesting your artistic vision. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, using affirmations, expressing gratitude, taking action, and trusting in the universe, you can bring your creative ideas to life. Remember to stay positive, focused, and aligned with your desires, and watch as your artistic vision unfolds before you.